Islam is a very beautiful religion. It contains the material for the education and training of both our body and soul. There are two types of rights, Allah's rights and human rights. Both are the part of Islam. It is not the case that the performance of one will excuse the other. These rights have the status of duties for the executor. Remember that prayer is not completely religion but a part of religion. Hajj is not completely religion but a part of religion. Worship is not completely religion but a part of religion. Know that the meaning of worship is to consider yourself as inferior and humiliated in the presence of Allah, as well as the humility before Him. There are two forms of worship, physical worship and spiritual worship. Our saints have given more importance and time to spiritual worship along with physical worship. Conditions for acceptance of worship are the sincerity, the following of Sharia, and halal meal and money. Likewise, the members of worship are the love, the hope of acceptance, and the fear of non-acceptance. The purpose of worship is to establish contact with Allah, to create unity in the Ummah, to promote equality, to make ourselves humble, to educate and purify the society from corruption. When we fulfill the conditions of worship and know its objectives and follow it, our hearts will be purified, our morals will be refined, and our sins will be forgiven.